Hello and welcome to the News Button. In today's edition of News Button, we shall discuss the discovery of a new antiviral drug by Australian and American scientists that has proven to be highly effective against the COVID-19 virus. The drug has been seen to reduce viral load by over 99%. The drug has raised high hopes in the medical fraternity. Experts believe the drug's discovery will be the beginning of the end of the COVID pandemic that has ravaged the world, taking millions of lives and collapsing the world economic order. You might already be pleasantly curious to know more about the wonder drug, but rein your horses as we unfold the discovery step by step before you. Developed by international team of scientists from Australia and the US, the new experimental direct-acting antiviral therapy drug can bring down the viral load in patients by 99.9%. This might make it a very potent drug against COVID-19. So far, traditional antiviral drugs like Tamiflu, Zanamivir, and Remdesivir have been used to reduce symptoms and help people recover from COVID so far. The new antiviral drug uses gene silencing RNA technology called siRNA, small interfering RNA, to attack the virus's genome directly. This stops the virus from replicating. This approach also uses lipid nanoparticles designed at Griffith University and the City of Hope to deliver the siRNA to the lungs, the critical site of COVID infection. Co-lead researcher Miguel Macmillan, professor at Menzies Health Institute, Queensland, at Griffith University, says that the treatment with virus-specific siRNA reduces viral load by 99.9%. These stealth nanoparticles can be delivered to a wide range of lung cells and silence viral genes. When the drug was tested in SARS-CoV-2 infected mice, it was seen that it highly improved their survival chances. Remarkably, in treated survivors, no virus could be detected in the lungs. The findings were published in the noted medical journal Molecular Therapy. The drug is working effectively in infection of COVID-19 or the original SARS-CoV-1. That's great, but you might already be having a sneaking suspicion whether it will work the same way for SARS-CoV-2 and any new variants that may arise in the future. Well, yes, it will. Kevin Morris, professor and associate director of the Center for Gene Therapy at City of Hope, who was associated with the drug's discovery, assures that. He says, this treatment is designed to work on all beta coronaviruses, such as the original SARS virus, that is SARS-CoV-1, as well as SARS-CoV-2, and any new variants that may arise in the future, because it targets ultra-conserved regions in the virus's genome. For any potential drug, storage is most often an issue. Not for this drug. Not for this new drug. Its founders claim that the nanoparticles are stable at 4 degrees Celsius for 12 months and at room temperature for over a month. This means that the drug can be used in low resource settings to treat infected patients without getting wasted. The siRNA nanoparticle formulations can be developed as a therapy to treat COVID-19 patients as well as used for future coronavirus infections by targeting the virus's genome directly. The nanoparticles are also scalable and hence relatively cost effective to produce in bulk, and hence bulk production would effectively reduce the cost per dose. Hope you like the conversation, and hopefully the pandemic would be over sooner than later, as is being claimed that the drug will probably go into production in maximum 2 years' time. Hope you like the conversation. So, if you have any queries, please leave your comments in the comment section. We shall be happy to note and revert. Before leaving, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for any future updates from our side. Thank you. Thanks again for watching.